If you're new to macOS, you might feel a bit annoyed when watching Netflix or YouTube in full screen, because the menu bar just refuses to hide. Today, I'll show you how to set up your Mac so the menu bar at the top can automatically hide, making your screen look cleaner and giving you more workspace. First, open System Settings. Next, go to Menu Bar. Here, you'll see a setting called Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. There are 4 options you can choose from. The default option is Never. With this one, the menu bar will always stay visible. In Full Screen Only means when you open any app in full screen, the menu bar will hide automatically. On Desktop Only, according to macOS, says Hide and show the menu bar when not using an app in full screen. But on macOS 26, it actually behaves more like Always, meaning the menu bar is always hidden and only shows up when you move your cursor to the top. Among all these options, in Full Screen Only is my favorite, because when I'm in full screen mode, I don't want the menu bar to distract me. But in normal use, I prefer it to stay visible so it's easier to access. Hopefully, this helps you optimize your workspace and use your Mac more efficiently.